Going, look at that big log. It's cool. Starting to get vertigo. Just fall off this thing. Sorry guys. Look at that. Nice nest, hey? Crystal's wondering if it's a nest. Totally could be. What do you guys think? Isn't that cool? Hey, what's in there? I don't know what else it would be. Huh. Okay. Can I get down? Kinda. Coming near the end. Coming near the end. My ability to move around. Cool, right? Nesties. Oh, we had fun today. It was all about that. Oh, nice. Nice. And then I'm coming back. There it is. What do you guys think it is? Let me know. What do you guys think that is? I don't see anything in there.